I now need to do editing, and we're going to record in our part just because you did that.
I still vote that we start over.
No. I don't want to,
so.
because then we just wasted time.
I'm leaning toward let's hurry up and do the trampoline already.
Yeah.
So we've done 1.5 parts by now.
No, we've done a lot more than that, dude.
And I'm pretty sure he who must not be named would probably want to shout as fast
You
as
mean
possible.
Voldemort?
No, my mother's...
No, I mean Francis over here. Oh crap, we're gonna need to edit that out.
His name isn't
Quit
Francis.
calling him
That's what she
Francis,
said.
because that's his actual name.
Okay, David.
His name is Francis McDonald. Francis McDonald Jr.
Wow, you just
Memory
defied your own... For the love of God.
What?
Come up, Sonny. You really shouldn't play video games all day.
You're a terrible thing.
Hey, isn't there a Spyro game where you shoot fire and ice? Cause I just wanted to what?
You can.
I think that was Hero's Tale.
No, it came up before Hero's Tale.
You can in World of Spyro.
Never gonna give you up.
In Steer the Dragonfly, you can breathe fire, ice, thunder, and bubbles.
Bubble.
Get away from that!
I'm stupid.
You! Quickly! Yes! Protoman! I take the games back from him! No, you're not doing it either!
Okay, here.
Hurry!
We're ending. Whoosh, we did it.
Look at that.
Why? Why? Why, Mr. F? Why?
Because the more that...
Carnival games
People are just messing with my brain. I'm still here playing a game. I'm still here, and I'm not doing anything.
Sonic Unleashed a third time.
For the love of
I
God.
hope that those of you who are looking for a guide can tell from what's going on the screen what you're supposed to do. Because so far all we've done is make completely pointless and meaningless jokes, a lot of which are inside jokes at this screen, at this camera. So
And in front of a girl.
you guys can suck it.
Sonic Unleashed. Sonic Unleashed.
Great job, Mr. F.
Okay, fine. Carnival games.
But at least
Wait a minute.
Oh wait, that
You
reminds me.
actually won.
Shut her
No,
up.
it's my sister.
Shut her up.
Yes. Hey,
you want
weenies.
Black
a
Mushrooms.
memory card.
Shut her up. Do you want
Marshmallows.
Black Knight, I mean.
Maybe.
On the night of the win.
I didn't know.
Turn it on, John.
Oh no, there are more games!
Super Monkey Ball.
For the love of God.
Legend of Zelda Wind Waker.
What?
Somebody get the...
Stop it now!
Would you like to
Stop
swim underwater?
Join games now!
My God.
Now! No! Do not touch that!
Hey, we
No.
forgot something. It's the F word.
Seriously,
This
my
Let's
God.
Play has been brought to you by the letter A
88...
through Z.
This app now has been brought to you by the letter ADHD.
That's
Been brought to you by Don't make me
You know
yell anymore.
what?
I'm really ticked off at you because this is really annoying.
Well, you said for us to help to be with you on it. You never said how to do it. So we're doing it.
I thought it was common knowledge. I thought it was common.
Not everyone knows how to do a Let's
The
Play.
hell
Daniel.
with common knowledge.
I know how to do a Let's Play.
Yes, but we don't spend
Super Monkey Ball.
Hey, he said to stop showing games.
He said it in a photo.
Well, he said it to both.
Don't make me yell at you
Mr. F,
too.
let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Seriously, dude. You just...
I will see you.
You never specifically told us how to do a Let's Play.
I thought it would have been obvious not to annoy the people also.
Oh, paper, what?
Nope.
A tie?
Time for an easy puzzle.
Okay. Rock, paper,
Time for a puzzle that's
scissors.
going to be easy as hell. Done.
Ready? Rock, paper,
Could you help?
scissors.
Now would you go to another location for something?
Rock,
I'm not sure.
rock, paper, scissors. Shoot. What? You go at scissors.
You can play with bigger references with me. I won't be cheap.
You go at.
I can't see.
You go at scissors. You don't go at shoot.
Nothing!
Alright, you win.
There, I showed nothing at the screen.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Interruption!
I thought you said you were supposed to go with scissors.
No, you go at
Do not
shoot.
spray in the
Oh,
red fish.
Okay, let's try this again.
I like the red
fish.
fish. Yes, but they're made of evil and spice. Open your mouth.
Fishy.
Open it. Open your mouth. Gosh darn it.
It's Moby Dick!
No.
The other
what we did is
topiary
white.
creatures revenge.
The guy's not opening his mouth. Open it.
That's what this reminds me of. The little green guys, they look like the topiary
What the fuck?
creatures.
Why doesn't he open his mouth?
We are the topiary creatures.
Maybe you need to blast the fish into its
I
mouth.
do, but it's
But
not.
maybe you should start the mini game.
I did.
Shoot fire at his mouth, and then...
It's not going.
Yeah, they're going in.
That's
Keep
not
trying.
right. They're not doing the right kind of
What's
fish.
this?
It says 6 out of 10. That means you need to shoot more of them in.
Look at it. It's ridiculous.
Have you tried the red fish?
Wait.
Keep trying fish. You know it needs to be 6 out of 10.
Wait, I
See fish, 6 out of 10.
Yeah, but it's not.
Four more fish in its mouth.
It won't go open its mouth. It needs to open its mouth in order to do it. What the hell? What did this have to do with it?
I better hope my mom doesn't catch me watching this.
Please stand by.
No, we're not. We're just having trouble.
We're troubled spirits.
Well, technically, we are not having trouble. Sodera is because
It's his game.
And you guys are just annoying it. And I wanted to do a different game, but
I'm
no.
not trying to annoy.
well, it wasn't our
That's
choice.
not
It
our
was the
fault.
game's choice.
I know because
It's not our fault. It's your system.
I know, but
Zelda.
the thing isn't
I
working.
would have rather that we do a game that I knew a little bit better.
I can't say what this game is.
Make him open his mouth. Thanks for the help.
Have you tried
Flame fish to feed the idol. Shoot the red fish.
Open your mouth.
Hurry up. Oh, there we go.
Oh, finally you decide you want to
He
open your mouth.
vomited them all back out.
Brilliant.
I only had 3.
Open your mouth.
I think there's like a kind that he doesn't like.
He doesn't like the redfish, but he won't open his mouth to even get. Now, let me put.
Okay, you've made negative progress.
I know, but he won't.
Random button.
Don't put. Hey, don't touch my controller. Sheesh.
Don't have the controller.
Don't touch the controller I'm playing it.
Why not?
Just accept my fish. Accept my offerings. You stupid thing.
Wait, maybe it's about timing it.
No, it's supposed to have it open the entire
Your
time.
offerings of fish are stale and rotten.
How'd you get him in last time?
It was open. Now it's not open. Make it
Tiki
open.
God was
Maybe
talking.
there's an open mouth button on the back of the statue or something.
No.
I found a button right here. That's what it does.
No. This is failed.
Sodera.
Fail.
Sodera, I have an idea.
It's failed.
Sodera.
What?
Nate, well, actually, that you leave the level and then go back.
That's what it's gonna do.
I am the Tiki God.
No, you're not. You're Mr.
You have
I'm your mom.
No, you're not.
I want to
You're
end this
Mr.
as soon as possible, but it won't let me because the thing is being a crap bag.
Well then, why
The
not?
thing's being a crap bag. What about us? Give us credit for our evil.
You three are just being annoying.
So are you.
This is
I'm
being
not trying
stupid.
to.
This is just being stupid.
This is blasphemy. This is madness.
You're
no,
being madness.
No, we're
I know.
not doing the Sparta reference again.
You said
Hurry.
this blah blah blah. You're annoying. Shut up. Fine, I'll fix
You're
it.
annoying too.
No, that guy's annoying.
Oh, okay. Well then you're not annoying. You're cool. You're a cool dog.
Well, then why were you insulting me?
Because you keep saying we're annoying and screaming at us.
Yeah, well, you were just being plain.
Maybe now the mouth.
You never told us we couldn't.
Like, that would be obvious that no one would want to see you guys holding cassettes out of nowhere
I do.
in their face. I wouldn't.
But it would be funny to say.
Look, it's open.
There we go. Now, keep it open or I will pass.
Hit the uvula. You can make him vomit if you do that.
No, it's wrong. This is extreme. Extreme shooting action. Look at that jumping.
I'm still wondering what that button does.
You press S for I win.
Delicious fish. The tiki god is pleased.
I just want to finish this level up in this episode,
And then we can go.
Then we
Just
can
a few more, dude.
They can
More fish for the
continue.
tiki god.
Oh, never mind.
This is more like let's see what happens when you put my friends in a room while I'm playing a video game.
You get comedic value and annoyance.
Dude, it's over 10 minutes.
No, I can do this.
Hurry.
I would if the fish would.
Okay, so now are we done
Shut
now?
up.
Are we done now?
Give you up.
Are we done now?
No, I need one more.
It's over 10 minutes.
I know, but I can do it.
Oh my god.
I hate this crap bag. Move faster.
The tiki god is displeased.
That's because he's annoying.
Now I shall haunt you.
Move!
for eternity.
Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it.
We're not
Move
starting
it.
a new part, dude.
Move it.
The tiki god wants
What
to
the
go
fuck is it? What did you do?
the video and divide it into parts later.
It's almost 11 minutes.
Well, actually, the limit is 11.
Ah!